Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. An iPhone on iOS 26, permissions granted, and enough storage. Now open camera and switch to spatial photo mode. This activates depth capture and spatial metadata. You should see an indicator that depth and audio are recording. Once done, frame your subject with intentional foreground, midground, and background separation so the system can compute parallax. Make sure to hold steady for the capture to avoid motion artifacts, and let the phone process the depth map before proceeding. With the scene framed, tap to focus and adjust exposure. You want distinct depth planes for accurate spatial reconstruction. Capture several takes because you'll pick the best depth fidelity and motion-free shot. Once you've chosen one, open Photos and use Edit. Adjust the spatial depth slider to strengthen parallax, fine-tune lighting with highlights and shadows, and crop without destroying depth metadata. If you need finer control, use Live Edit or the dedicated spatial photo editor to retouch the depth map and preserve 3D effect. Finish by exporting the image as a spatial photo to preserve depth and any attached audio, or share through apps that support spatial rendering. Test the result on another iOS 26 device or AR viewer to confirm the parallax and depth are behaving as expected. If the 3D effect is weak or missing, recapture using greater subject-to-background separation, ensure depth capture is enabled in camera settings, and avoid low light, which degrades depth estimation. That single tip fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.